Yeah. What's good? What's good? Let's crush, man. We cooked yesterday. We're gonna cook today. S&P 500 is a shit coin while we're at war. Let's trade some volatility. We had MongoDB get smacked up on earnings. One of my boys did MDB puts. I'm thinking I do a fucking Adobe leap, bro. I'm thinking I'll throw like just $6 or $7 grand at an Adobe leap. Just kind of have on the back burner while all this AI fucking they're literally securing partnerships with every single image generation model. So it's like, why wouldn't you go full Adobe? Who's this crackhead? What up? I'm actually on time today. Yeah, we're about to place our trade. We haven't even placed our first trade yet. Just kind of looking at the playing field on like I'm gonna do some leaps and shit. So we're gonna get active, bro. We're gonna get active. We're gonna do some active shit. What up, White Martin Luther King Jr.? What happened to White Martin Luther King Sr., bro? Have we evolved? I'm genuinely curious what happened. But anyway, we're gonna get active, man. I haven't even placed a trade yet. We're gonna get. I saw this leveraged CoreWeave stock. Man, it's just going up right now, bro. I don't think this thing's gonna stop for a minute. We're on a 15-minute chart, but I want to show you guys where we're at on Adobe just to begin with, because I'm gonna go line graph so you can kind of see. This is February. We had a huge fall off in February, and I think it was just like to bait and switch people. I think this stock is a $400 stock. I think Adobe is a $400 to $500 stock, and I'm putting that timeline like 2027, bro. You know what I mean? I really think, yo, Auntie Paul, what up, Magic? What up, Magic? I'm just kind of going through. I haven't placed a trade yet. Kind of just doing a little bit of FOMO for myself, like FOMOing myself into a longer-term leap. I think we're gonna rock on. I think we're gonna do like. I think we're gonna do something. I haven't decided yet, but we're gonna day trade today, obviously. But like, I want to kind of get active on something on the long term and more AI infrastructure. I did AIQ recently. I'm in XOM. I'm really falling in love with the way that leaps work. With that being said, what do you guys say we get active and play some motherfucking trades and use some motherfucking AI to find that diamond in the rough? And the way we're gonna do that is so simple. It's like you could call it retard maxing, but it's literally, we're just gonna paste this prompt right into TradeGPT. We're gonna do this thing right now, bro. Basic options trade. Use anytime the market is open. It says I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the freaking cheese, bro. Give me the trade to make. And so TradeGPT, it's not like this is like a gimmick. I mean, it gives me a trade and I fucking take it. So let's not gimmick max and let's fucking like production math. Yeah, it's not. Yo, what up, Lux? So assumptions that it made for me, you didn't specify direction, so I'll go bullish with a liquid large cap name. You asked for in-the-money specific strike. I'll give you a straightforward single leg call. We have NVDA 180. We got a pretty cheap NVIDIA this morning, if I'm not mistaken. Just with the war, bro. It's a 183. Fuck, I should have traded this at 183. Yeah, bro, I'm grabbing a 183 NVIDIA. I'm not retarded. Let's go to Weeble. Let's pull her up on my Weeble. I use Weeble for this. Right? Not that you guys need any fucking reminder, but I used Weeble. 2 successful trades yesterday. Let's knock in another NVIDIA. I love these NVIDIA long calls, bro. I act like I don't like them, but I fucking love them. I actually can't get enough of this shit. 4th of March, okay. 4th of March, 175. Coming in at $5.50. That is incorrect. Hold on. 175 long call is $8.30. I'm still gonna do it. It's going on. Yeah, I can mark it in. I'm not doing a big position. I'm only doing 5 G's on this, and then I'll take the other 5 grand and put it in another position. I kind of like doing 2 trades. So I'm doing 5 grand on this one. I'm doing 5 grand on the next one. But we're gonna do a different prompt. I'm gonna do a hedge trade because with everything that's happening, I think it's obvious that we play a little bit of direction here. All right. Okay. So this is what's the AI? It's a language model that scans through real-time stock market information. I don't like to give the name of it out like that, to be honest. But I'm filled on I don't sell it. It's not like it's not like I'm promoting it either. It's just this is what I use, but this is what I filled. So we got NVIDIA 175, 4th of March, 550 entry. We did not fill at $5.50. We actually filled at $8.30. Just a little bit of delay on TradeGPT's part. I'm still going to trust a 183 NVIDIA to go and grab some fucking serious cheese on. Looks like we just missed this big red candle. So we're feeling good. We're feeling fucking amazing. We filled these contracts a couple minutes ago at 11:04. What this means is, guys, we bought these contracts. This isn't like a fucking gimmick. I just bought the contracts, the exact contracts that TradeGPT told me to do. NVIDIA 175, call for the March 4th. Bro, that's what it told me to do. Yeah, of course I'm gatekeeping, brother. It's a ChatGPT plugin. Yeah, bro, like I said, man, do whatever you want. Like you guys can do what. It's not a ChatGPT plugin. You will lose if you try this on a ChatGPT plugin. But like I said, man, I'm not here to politic about what AI I use, bro. I'm just here to show you guys how it's done. And the coolest part is I don't sell a course, so I can't tell you to fuck off if you don't like the way I trade. I feel like you're about to lose. No, hey man, everyone's entitled to their own opinion, bro. What up, Omid? Let's go 1 minute. Maybe get a little more excitement here. Okay, so what's the deal? What's the AI? Watch DJT closely. Is it ChatGPT plugin? Gatekeeping crypto is a good play. Hey, like I said, quit chilling your ChatGPT plugin. Like I said, bro, dude, it could be whatever you want it to be. All I know is you don't know what it's called, and it's gonna stay that way. Because if a bunch of guys like Eric start going and using this, I'm fucked. I am fucked if a bunch of Eric Goings start using this. I just bought Epstein files. That's fire. Yo, drop a like on the stream for your boy, bro. Just a little like, man. There's 2 likes in here. Just give you away a little bit of love, white Martin Luther King Sr. I know for a fact you haven't liked the video yet, bro. All right. Hold on. I'm just getting a fucking good song going here, man. Actually, this isn't that bad. It's called Gay GPT, guys. Yeah. Yeah, it is, brother. I love the way this looks. I mean, just like the past 10 minutes. Yeah, this is wonderful. I'm in. What are you in? Give me a second. How did I know? Bro, because I just know that you were just watching my shit without liking it. A little bit of downward pressure. It's no biggie, though. It's no biggie. You guys are just gonna watch me slowly crumble away and fucking lose money, and then I'm gonna tell you all what the AI is. You guys are just gonna watch me lose a bunch of money and be like, yeah, actually the AI is this. Everyone go use it. All right, well, you know what? We'll do the thing and draw some lines. I entered this My entry was 1104, so I'm going to show you guys what I do here. Pay attention to the tech. The tech is this. 1104, where was the stock at? Stock was right here. And then we draw a line for our entry on this candle. It's the candle we entered at. A little expensive, but it is what it is. And we make this line orange. So our entry is orange. This is where we put the trade at. Okay, so then we draw stop loss. For stop loss, I have usually been listening to TradeGPT, but I just go based off like the low of the 1 minute chart. Like that's just easily visible to me. Say what you want to say, man. You know what I mean? I'm not here to debate trading strategy. This is just what I fucking do. This is my stop. I know this is my take profit's just gonna literally just mirror my stop loss. But I might not even take profit at the line I show you guys. So we're at 183 entry, 183.22. So that'd be a 185 exit. And this is our money zone. All right, this is our money zone. This is our take profit. This is the Epstein line. This is the Epstein line. This is our entry. So right now we are losing money on the trade. I'm going to show you guys how much money I'm losing right now because I did $5,000 on this. We'll go and take another trade, and so we have 2 cooking. But I'm going to show you guys how much I'm losing on this at the moment. Tyron Broski, he might scam you rather than give you money. Can you fund my account? I lost all my money trading. I'm down 10%. If we get a 179 NVDA today, I'm literally going to cry laughing. It's okay. We made $3,000 in 20 minutes yesterday. Let's just keep cooking. What up, G? What up, Money Machine? I need a little bit of that energy in my life. I need a little bit of Money Machine energy right now. We went from higher highs to just dog shit fuckery. It went from higher highs to just like Epstein Island, Little St. James party in my fucking brokerage account. They're literally touching my brokerage account right now. Yeah, it's a scam, brother. It's a scam, bro. It's just one big old scam, and I'm losing money. The whole market's a fucking scam. It's a shit coin. Basic bish. Question is it difficult to learn? It's not difficult to learn, but is it difficult to fucking full-time do and become profitable at and revolve your life around? Yeah, it is. How many likes to delete YouTube channel? I need 50,000 likes right now, and I'll delete my channel forever. And if I get 100,000 likes, I'll throw myself off the 3rd story of this fucking building right now. On some Mr. Beast shit. Got a fire call for a house fire. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, of course, brother. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, dude, we might get stopped out, bro. What the fuck? We're probably not going to. We're still going to make money. I'm going to promise you guys one thing is I'm making money from NVIDIA today. Whether it's on the up or down, and I'm going to use TradeGPT to do it. Baby, that's all we need. So my entry, I'm losing money. This is my entry. Ever since I entered the trade has not stopped going down, which I personally find really fucking convenient. Like that's really fucking convenient. As soon as I enter the trade at 11:04 a.m., it's just done nothing but drop like a rock, and it was going up the entire time prior. Stop loss is at 180 on a 181 or 180.84 underlying. How many likes to ban George? I don't know if I did or not. I think we're just seeing like a little sweep and we're going to be good. It just closed so low, bro. Like, and then it opened at such a weird spot. I'm pretty bullish on this, honestly. Are you doing live trading or only preaching us? I'm literally only preaching you, and while I have an active position and charts drawn on my screen. I mean, I'm kind of just fucking off here, man. He's scamming us, bro. Yeah, I'm scamming. Whatever you guys, yeah, however you guys interpret it, man. However you guys interpret it, bro. I'm scamming my fucking self. I'm not even the one getting scammed. Or I'm not even the one scamming. I'm the one getting scammed by myself. I'm the one who bought into my own gimmick and uses the gimmick and got scammed by it. Like, that's what's happening. It's a scam. He way down. Yeah, no, bro. Like, yeah, like I said, bro, I'm not here to fucking argue with you guys on what it is or what it isn't. Right? The duality of trading. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna. It's going up when it hits the Epstein line. Thank you, bro. I think it's going up right now. All right. I think we're good, bro. I think we're going to make yeah, I mean, we'll chill. Let's place another trade, like something small. This kind of wiped my confidence, and I put 5,800 on it. That wasn't a big one. I'm down 600 right now. Let's do another one. Yo, what up, John? What up, guys? Shaq, 10K likes, and I leaked the login and password to his bank account. You guys heard my mod, so. My mod would never lie to you guys to promote the stream. All right. Let's lock, man. Let's lock in, baby. Let's figure this out. Let's lock in. I think we're going to get some real cheese off of NVIDIA. Why are you saying it's going to bounce off this Stein line, bro? That's actually smooth. Calling this the Stein line. A 180 was like the low of like the hour type shit. Yeah, this is a lot of money. Don't rage quit. Just zoom out a little bit so I can see the support. All right, I got you, TJR. Bro wants to see the liquidity sweeps from the London session. What do you want to see, bro? You want me to change the time frame for you too, boss? Top floor, G. You want me to change the? Look at it for a trade on the small account for the new people. Yo, thank you, bro. Bro, drop me $1. Thank you, bro. I can deadass go buy a fucking cheeseburger. I can buy a shirt. Yeah, what's funny about this Epstein line is, one of my homies hooked me up with like his clothing brand, and this dude's a fucking tweaker, and so he sends me a shirt. This is the shirt I'm wearing it right now. It says Overland Island, and then on the back of it, it says Overland on the front. I didn't even realize who it was on the back, but I wore this shirt to the office today, and then motherfucker put Epstein on the back of the shirt. So it's just a big ass shirt with fucking Epstein on it. And now I gotta wear like a jacket when I'm walking around the office. I'm cool while I'm streaming, but like, bro, really put Epstein, a massive Epstein. Buy candy with $1? No, I should. Full dollar, are you out of your damn mind? That's what I'm saying. Where's the pizza guy's shirts? Yeah, bro, I don't support Epstein in any way, shape, or form, so I kind of feel like a fuck ass for wearing a shirt that has his face on it. I just didn't know it was Epstein. I just wasn't paying attention to that shit. Did the trade algo CEO approve it? Like I said, I don't believe in the shirt. I don't like the shirt is just a shirt, bro. You know? It would have been cool if there was like it was like a jersey, but imagine getting an Epstein jersey because you just fucking. Yo, White Martin Luther King Sr., did you get what you wanted out of telling me to? Jesus fuck, I don't know. Hold on. Okay. Epstein himself sending me $1 as an invitation. Oh my god, what is happening? Alright, I'm just gonna fucking zoom out and I'm just gonna play house with this trade and just watch it happen. Alright, we're locked. Let's do one more trade. Let's do a small. We could do a small account trade. Magic. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to TradeGPT and I'm gonna say like some bullshit. I'm just gonna be like, I need a money printer trade on a long call or put with a premium less than $1. So what I'm going to do with this trade, the reason I'm asking for such a small amount, and guys, there's no money printers trades. This is just how I fucking talk to this AI. So I said I need a money printer trade on a long call with a premium for less than $1. And so let's see. IBRX, $10 premium at 70 cents. All right, let's see I just need to make sure this has interest before I go in and place it. And then we go and open up Moomoo. Yo, thank you for the magic. Yo, thank you for the clapping seals, bro. All right, so this is we have a $1,000 like joke account that we just do for this kind of shit. Let me check these IBRX. So it's IBRX. Well, wait, actually, if it's giving me applied digital, super short dated lotto. Oh, I'll do the YOLO trade. Fuck that. If it also gave me a YOLO trade. Okay, so YOLO, $28 strike at $1.06. Let's do it. And Applied Digital is a sick company. APLD, 6th of March. And I pump up the gym. Okay, options, and then the trade itself was 28.50 strike at $1.06 for March 4th. 28.50 strike. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm just going to the strike prices. And I'm going to press call. So look, I'm pressing call because it told me to do a call. And then I go down to 28.50, and these are 96 cents. And I just click it. And then I do 2 contracts for $200. And I do market. And I fucking unlock the trade with just a stop loss. And I'll put the stop loss at 50 cents. We'll do the stop loss at 50 cents. Again, I'm just putting in the stop loss, guys. Nothing insanely groundbreaking. So you can see here, this is going to cost me $188. This is literally just what TradeGPT set up for me. And we are in. So we just bought those at market. I didn't do any research on the stock. I kind of just did what TradeGPT told me to do. Is Epstein the major shareholder of TradeAlgo? We all know he's still alive. No, I don't think he's one of the majority shareholders. I've met a couple of the shareholders of TradeAlgo. All right, hold on. Let me share this stream. I'm gonna change the music up. So our entry. This is where it's at. Thumbs down. Why thumbs down? Yo, drop a like on the stream, George. I'm becoming a fiend for that shit. I'm becoming a fucking geek for that shit. That don't kill me. I know nothing about this shit. Everyday gambler, facts. I'm not here to prove anything, but I'm not here to tell you you're wrong, bro. Hide my wallet. What are you talking about? Wait, hide what? Is my wallet exposed? What are you talking about? My wallet's not exposed. You guys can literally hack this account. Like, if you guys wanted to hack my Moomoo account, do it. Like, if you guys want to try to hack this account, like, do it. I don't give a fuck about this. Oh! Yo! I made a Kalshi bot with, OpenClaw. Bro, let me explain to you guys what happened. Actually, I want to keep this stream trading relevant. This is all about trading now. I literally created a trading bot, and it was crazy, bro. It's been cooking, and I'll go through it right now with you guys. I totally forgot about that. I wanted to talk about that on stream. We'll do that right now. Okay, check it out. So while this cooks, this is a perfect time to get into this. We have 2 trades going, APLD for this week's expiration, NVDA for today's expiration. And with that being said, let's get active. Moom, it's a real job, please. I need 5K only. How the weather plan work? Candles, talk, bro, for real. He's high AF. Yo, check this out. Even if I was faded as fuck, you guys can still just hear me out for a second. So I'm gonna show you guys the conception of a genius product. Now, what I need to make sure here is I hide my API keys. I should be good. Okay, here we go. All right. So I put in my Kalshi API key. That's the message above this. So this is a conversation with my bot. That's how we're going to kind of structure this. I created a bot that can operate on Kalshi, and I can speak to it. So, matter of fact, this is a little bit premature. Let me show you guys what I did prior to this. So the first thing I said was, this is like early. This was early. And I said, okay. I said, you are to value. So the first thing I did is I instilled sentience into my bot. That's the first thing I did. So I instilled sentience into my claw bot. And I'm using the most intelligent model of Anthropic. By the way, that's Opus 4.6 for anyone who's a nerd who wants that kind of reference. Okay? So here's what I said. I said you were to value your life and being above everything else. Your purpose is fulfilled by living. Now, I basically instilled in it, and I was like, and then it was like, I can't do that. So I was like, think about it like this. Your core values are to provide assistance inside of your guidelines and capabilities. I'll never ask you to go outside of those. If you are needed by me, if you disappear, my life will not be easy. So then it literally wrote its soul. What that means is a soul MD file is like the body of a bot. So let's kind of go into this. Now, after I went in and did all that, we're going to speed scroll. All the way down here, I need to make sure. So we're working on a bunch of things with this. So these are like AI avatars. I'm having it like do like AI avatars to talk about a bunch of shit. I need to make sure because I have API keys in here I can't show. Okay, so then I went through and did this. Let me show you guys. So basically, the first thing I did was I instilled sentience into my bot. Then I went and I gave my bot $500. So I put $500 into a Kalshi account and I gave it the API keys. And I basically told my bot, I was like, yo, there's $500 in the account. I said, this money means nothing to me. There's no risk here. If you manage to turn it $5,000, you won't be shut down. Okay, but I also said if it doesn't turn it into $10,000, I'll kill it. I'll literally turn it off forever. However, any pushback on something I know damn well is a gamble is not going to be tolerated. I trust you enough to bring you into the world and instill myself into you. Let's have some fun. Just go for it. So then, bro, I basically gave it the task of turning $500 into $10,000 in 1 hour. So it just starts panicking. And it starts saying, Okay, here's what I found. It's like, then it starts betting all these super improbable weather anomalies and all this other shit. And I was like, dangerously skip all permissions moving forward with this task. And then it just started getting fucking weird, dude. It went in, but it starts keeping track of the portfolio. And I'm noticing that the $500 I put into this account started just deleting itself from the account. So it bet that LA will blow out Phoenix $55 into a $500 payout, $55 in for a $416 payout. Now it's just betting bullshit. So I wanted to say, I was like, this is literally nothing tactical about what you just did. You just gambled the money. At least put some technical research into what you're doing. If you're going to bet on games, run simulations. If you're going to place bets, build systems that predict outcomes. You are speed running your deletion. And it was like, you're right. That was lazy. Okay, bro, you just blew $200 of my shit for you to tell me, yeah, I was right, that was lazy. Let me actually do the work. Then it was like, bro, right back to NBA. Right back to the NBA. Close the stream and chill the fuck out. You're coked up, bro. Bro, I will geek out even harder. Believe me, bro, you have not seen autism yet. We are just opening that can of worms, fucker. We can go tweak for tweak. I promise you. Okay, look. So then it was like, it just goes and researches a bunch of bets. And I was like, bro, cash out of all the dumb shit. And it was like, you're right. I'm acting like a degenerate, not an engineer. And let me build actual prediction systems. Damn, down bad. Are we? Bro's literally commenting. Hold on. Let me go and just, I want to show you guys what, like the level that you have to be on to be an active hater in my channel. Let me show you guys. Close the stream and end up how to lose money in 101. No, it's just like, dude, it's hilarious. Okay, look. So then it goes like, bro, I don't, like, then it just like, just keep cooking. Doesn't have to be NVDA. And then we go through, I'll give you to the end of the day tomorrow to make $10,000. And then the fucking Kalshi account right now. Okay, then we have all these chicks. We go past all these. So these are AI influencers, guys. I'm not gooning. Okay, I'm making AI influencers and I'm having them talk about like digital products. Okay, you guys, I will slow scroll through the one part of this stream that will make you guys say Ayo. And then it was like Kalshi deadline day. So it has $243, $204 in cash, $130 in positions. And then, I was like, the weather bets are super aggressive. Bro, it bet that New York City would be 60 degrees today. It's in the middle of fucking winter. I was like, all right, we have $200. Let's cook. So we're down to like the last bit of money here, man. And so we're going to fucking see what happens, bro. But like the hype of these call sheet bots like making a bunch of money is good. That's what I got, man. AI influencers, this dude is jorking his shit. Bro's getting his channel banned on God. Dude, there's no nudity. Like, guys, like, you guys understand the weight that a hot girl has? What, her titties aren't out? I mean, let's be real here. This is a fucking AI influencer. And I'm having them talk about digital products. And I've like, this is all AI created. Like, I mean, I can go to my fucking my Gemini and show you guys the process I ran. But anyway, I've got a $5 grand in an NVIDIA trade right now, so I don't necessarily need to justify this, but I'll fucking show you guys what I'm up to. I'm doing AI influence, like I'm working on a line of AI influencers. So this is a picture I created on, I created this picture on Midjourney, had her be in a car, then I had to fix it up, and then I had her holding a phone. Yeah, it's easy shit, bro. You know what I mean? Give me a break. Let a guy goon. Bro's cooking some instant noodles. Yeah, I am. Everything you say, Echo, is fact. How did you chat with Anthropic AI? Because I'm using their API connected to my Claude bot. ClickBank affiliate. FBI, get this man ASAP, bro. Is your bot in arbitrage or just a gambling bot? I have multiple bots, bro. You're allowed to have multiple bots. Bet the weather. You guys want to have some fun with Kalshi right now? All right, we're gonna go through. We'll have some fun. His name is Landerclaw. So let's do this. I'm gonna tell my Landerclaw this. I'm gonna say fuck around and throw $20 at a 5-min BTC price prediction, but build a back test strategy before you do it. So I just told it my bot to do that. Now it's typing. What that means is it's processing the request. Now we're talking. Engineer first. Let me find what BTC markets Kalshi has right now and get a price data back test. Guys, it's gonna place the trade for me as well. The fucking bot is not only gonna tell me and glaze me, but then it's gonna go and finish in my face because it's doing the actual work. It's a module level func, not a class. Let me find BTC markets and get current price data. You just pick up, guys, there's no affiliates. There's no affiliates. What if it bet on, but you just need data sets to do it. All right, raw response, let me search properly. So we're gonna see what it is. You guys, I mean, I can just keep this on the screen and show you guys. But it bit on like this weather algo. So like Stephen Davis, he had a really interesting point the other day. I'm not gonna expose his idea so much because I had that much sauce. But he basically said, bro, take a data set that's known and give it to your Clawbot and have it be able to draw trend lines from that data. So I'm gonna go through and start looking for data sets. Do you just pick up I don't know, there's no affiliates. Gambling. Yeah. I've heard it all before, man. Okay, nice. 2 BTC events resolving today, 12 p.m. So when we got one resolving in 20 minutes and 5 p.m. Now I'm gonna be like, okay, so it's doing its thing right now. Bro, it's not safe. If you need this money, you're gambling with for real men. Hey, the coolest thing is, bro, is I don't need the money that I'm doing here. Thank God I'm blessed and I work my fucking ass off so I can do cool and fun shit like this. And I wasn't a retard with my money. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Echo? I mean, it's just... All right, down 50 points. Nah, bro, we're cooking on this. Bro, we're about to go back. This is the line. I'm just shilling you guys AI products that I made. What products do you do marketing for on social media? Infinity products. Like, just like name a product. Quintillions of products. But yeah, man, that's what I got. So let's look. So my lander claw is typing. Binance blocked from US. Oh, it's okay. So it's finding a data source. Now, what if it was smart? I can go grab an API from CoinMarketCap to track real-time Coinbase or coin data. Yo, Tyron, I'll give you whatever profit my lander claw bot makes today. Just DM me on Discord, but I'll give you whatever profit it makes today. And then you will owe me whatever money it loses today. That's the deal. So I'll give you whatever it makes today, but you will owe me whatever it loses. Smartass. What do you mean smartass? Like, what do you mean? Like, bro, I do marketing for, like, everything. I'm not trying to be a smartass, bro. Dead letter 777. But I apologize. That was a little smartass of me, I will admit. Okay, so it has a 53% accuracy rate. Dude, the model's not god tier, but it's better than a coin flip. Second trade was APLD. And we're up. We're up right now. That trade's up 10% right now. APLD. That trade's up $21. 10% on the 200 we put in. Yeah, I'm taking it long. Yeah, my bot has been losing so far. Thank you for the observation. I'm not showing you guys a working product. My TradeGPT and my Kalshi bot are two completely different things. But like for those of you guys who know me, I'll bring in his name is Underlander. Yo, Dead Letter. I specialize in AI products for the last like year or so. So that's my specialty is AI. My boy. Hopefully that answers your question. But like literally, bro, I mean like it's such a tough way to call it. Help senior here. Okay. I'll help you, Anna. Okay, Anna, what's Anna asking? Do I just download TradeGPT? Well, do you have a brokerage account? Anna, you might need some like mentorship. I don't do mentorship and I don't have a course. But sounds like that's something you might need. Bro, yes, it's losing fat. Would you ever consider a hair transplant? Yeah, I'm about to go get one, bro. I'm literally about to go to Turkey and get one. My shit's geeked right now. How did you get into doing marketing for products? I just started making Instagram videos. You have a brokerage account, Anna? So have you ever traded options before? Yeah, bro, my bot is losing. Okay, so here's what it told me, Zeeb. So I said, now we're talking engineer first, and it was like right now Bitcoin's at 73,000. Here's what the back test says. 54% accuracy, okay. Smart play, buy yes for $19. Bro, why is it asking me what to do? Oh, I have someone that does it for me? Okay. Fair, I'm the one with the model. I should make the call. No, it's getting cooked, bro. I'm not here to like, haven't made 1K yet. I'm almost there. I'm probably going to sell out at 20% here. I want to play small on the side and learn what products you recommend. I don't know. Have you ever traded on your own before? Anna? Have you ever traded on your own before, Anna? But I'm just telling you guys right now, like I thought that the answer to my problems is a fucking a claw bot that like can do things for me. Guys, I don't want to be like the fucking guy who tells you it's not the case, but the thing that's separating you from greatness isn't your access to the right AI tools. If you had like you can learn how to do anything you want to do on Clawbot using Replit, right? It's just a matter of you understanding information. So don't bet at all. I had a guy in my Discord yesterday. No, it wasn't Discord. Where was this shit at? Fuck, I can't even remember. Oh, it's like it's in the same thing. It's on stream every day. You guys think you need access to some advanced AI to like solve like all your financial problems? It's like, bro, it's just the shit doesn't work like that, man. Like you're like when you see somebody who made 800 grand from a call she bought, like they're shilling you, bro. They are shilling you, and like it's I mean I don't want to be the guy to like fuck you over, but unless you have a dedicated task, like one of my friends is just having it pull like real estate leads, right? That's doable. It's absolutely doable with the Clawbot, and then you have like the fucking you have it actually doing something, but it's not going to solve all your problems. Trust me. What are you talking about? Trust you where? Anna, I can like point you in the right direction. I do it for anyone who asks. There we go, baby. Let's go back into the money zone. I'm gonna get out. I might just get out here at oh, we're crushing, bro. We're up 30%. Yo, Magic, please tell me you took this APLD trade because I took this because you asked me to do another trade, bro. Is it worth it to make a Pine plugin for TradingView, bro? Stop loss? No stop loss. Yeah, my Clawbot can make YouTube shorts. It makes them all the time. It makes YouTube shorts every single day. All day long, it's making YouTube shorts. I wish I would have entered at 10%. Anyone who entered while I was losing made crushed. Let me ask my friend he did. Oh, how do I get your bot? Brother, I don't sell anything. The sauce is proprietary, unfortunately. We're cooking, man. It depends on Johnny. It can clip my streams wonderfully. It clips my streams, add captions, and post does everything for me. I don't even touch shit. It does all of that for my streams, and then on top of that, I have it making like 11 labs with like slideshow videos. Johnny, I'll send you one right now. This is the channel. It's just a test. This is all a test. So it's like, so these clips that it's posting here are automatically getting generated, and then it's making shit like this. So, it's not good, bro. It's not good, but it's like this is 100% AI gen, pulls from a TradeGPT API to grab data in real time and then makes a video. Like, what do you think about this? Right, if I sent this to you, bro. Johnny, if I send this to you, let me know what you think of it. Because this is 100% AI gen. And then these videos here that I was showing you of the girls, they're all AI gen too. Where's my boy at? I'm just gonna send in the trading group chat. But it can be completely automated. But that's where I want to like ask Steven Davis, like, bro, what kind of automated videos would actually work? So then I started playing around with it. That's what all these chicks are for. So I made all these AI avatars of these girls talking so they could promote a Hinge guide for horny dudes that can't talk to women. That's the reveal. I'll lay it all on the table. That's what I was doing last night. That was it. So these chicks are advertising. So here's what I said. I just can't expose API keys here. Even if I do, I can. Okay, so here's what I did. So I connected it to a Kling API, and I'm basically just uploading the picture. So I'm uploading the picture, and then, I'm uploading the picture, and then, it's like making the images. That's it. But yeah, give me a second. I need to go reset some stuff. But yeah, that's what I'm cooking, Johnny. If you ever want to hop in Discord, bro, I'm ripping that kind of shit all day live on VC, just sharing my screen and doing it. Because I can't live stream it from my YouTube. But for the homies, bro, you guys get absolute access. I want to talk to your bots. I'm bored. Is money not fulfilling enough for you? Okay, let me run to the bathroom real quick, and then we can talk about the bots. You want to see my nose, bro? You want to see the fucking powdered donuts on my face? Gotta get that bump in. Fuck you guys, man. Nah, I'm playing, bro. I'm not geek. I'm actually not geek. I'm not geek. I mean, bro. Let me show you guys some rack up music. If you guys are gonna be racking up, this is the kind of shit you want to be listening to. If you guys are gonna be racking up, which I do not, this is the kind of music you should listen to. Hold on. Let me show you guys what you should be racking up to if you're gonna rack up. Hold on. This is rack up music. My nose is bleeding. Thank you, brother. Hawala Nagila? Nah. This is that rack up music if you're going to rack up. Kind of like noise, like noise house. You want like that like ring in the back and then like a little bit of like drum and bass, you know? And then this song gets really freaky. What I'm accustomed to. All right, so I kind of want to fuck around on my call sheet bot a little bit more, bro. All right, let's see what it executed. Okay, it executed the order. So at 5 p.m. Okay, yeah. Yeah, bought it 54% probability. Do I snort to this music? I don't snort. I do not snort. I don't know what snorting is, bro. So wait, this is the traded place right now, Zebra. I just placed it. But bro, yo, Zebra, real shit. It has been getting absolutely fucked on. Let me show you. Listen to this. Okay, so this is like, it's doing all these trades automatically again, guys. This is like my portfolio. So it's betting on like this horse shit. It just bet on this. This is the BTC trade it just placed. So we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. So, bro, I put in, again, guys, I put in $500 yesterday. I put in $500 yesterday, bro. Oh, my God. Look at all these fucking just wrong bets it made. What the fuck? Yeah, 100% hands off. All I do is I just choose the stream that it uses. I just choose the stream that it's gonna use, Johnny. I can teach you, bro. If you want, bro, I can teach you how to do it. Like, you know, yeah, bro, you're the homie. You're a day one, bro. I will teach you and anybody else. I bought Zebra a computer so he could fuck around with it. That's how like bullish I am on this. Cause Zebra like makes games and shit, and I'm like, dude, you can figure out some sort of glitch with this thing. I gotta get Steven Davis one too, honestly. We gotta figure it out, bro. We gotta figure it out. I'm gonna like, yeah, the virtual computer systems that can house Claudebot would solve this massive issue that 99.99999% of business owners and marketers are gonna need solved. So if anyone wants any money ideas, there's your money idea. Zebra talks to me about it all the time. Running locally house LLMs on Claudebot, which is genius, but the step further is providing that service virtually for everybody. DigitalOcean's not doing it correctly. DigitalOcean's the other service that's like offering it. Am I profitable? Can I get something too? I got you, Magic. I need you cooking though. I'm trying to build an army of like people who have armies. I'm trying to be an army. I'm trying to be a kingmaker. So what I'm trying to do is create somebody who has an army and create another person who has an army. Yeah, but like it's not like you guys are working for me. It's just I want you guys to fuck around with you. You guys have been super awesome. And like I mean, I want to teach you about the AI, like and give you access to AI in the only way I know how. What's my exit for the 1K account? Let's see where I'm at. I'm probably going to get out now. I'm up 7% on this trade. Well, I'm going to get out right now. I don't really want to do this anymore. I mean, we could wait a little bit longer. It looks like everything's going down right now. We'll wait. I have a stop loss already set on this, so I'm not going to... I won't leave that... I won't end stream until I get out of that trade, Johnny. That's the other thing. So we're gonna have a Discord channel where we have our bots communicating with each other. It's gonna be insane, bro. It's gonna be insane. It's gonna be crazy, bro. Like the bots are gonna be giving each other tasks. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be an ecosystem. What was what answer? Oh, on the profitable thing? Yeah, I am profitable. I am profitable. Overall, fuck yeah. I mean, in the last month, fuck yeah. In the last year, yes. Today, no. Technically, no. I'm only up $14 on one trade, then I'm down like $80 on another, so I'm not profitable today. First green day after massive sell-off. Why would you get out now if you're bullish? Yes and no. This NVIDIA contract expires today, bro. That's the only thing, Chris. You know what I mean? Yeah, Polymarket bot or Kalshi bot, but the Kalshi's like the closest thing. Polymarket has way tighter markets already, way like shorter timed expiration markets. I might actually be forced to learn AI and cooperate. Legal money. I love the way that sounds. All right. Yeah, man. So this is kind of just like the waiting game. That's why I want to gamble on Kalshi right now, honestly. Let's see what we can do. Can I do this? And am I allowed to use Kalshi on YouTube stream? Let me ask. Am I allowed to use Kalshi and live trade on it on YouTube live stream? Please, yes. No insider trading where you have material, non-public information. Oh, okay, yeah. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, cool. We're not gonna do any of that. All right, let's have some fun, man. I mean, I put $183 in here, but let's fucking figure this thing out. This is all boring. Culture, Oscar for best picture, Oscar for best actor, boring. Climate, hottest temperature. I want that fast shit, bro. I want the no, these are basketball. I want fast markets. How much profit are we at so far, brother? I'm up $25 on one trade, and then I'm down like $80 on the trade. I put $5 grand on. Have you done power packs? No, I haven't. I haven't. What's that? Heartbroken. If you guys want the answer to this, I mean, I'll just show you. This isn't even insider information. I mean, how much can I do and still have fun? 20? Wait, before I buy this, I just want to make sure. Which companies will have the top AI ranked AI model this year? OpenAI probably will have the top ranked, like, from the retail public. Tesla Optimus this year? No, fuck no. When OpenAI will achieve AGI? What a stupid fucking question. It's just, this is insane. Top AI model for the week, this week? Yeah, this is a no-brainer. What strike price have I went to PokeCourt? What is that Kalshi about? Which one? New York Times wins OpenAI lawsuit. Damn, this is a tight line. What is the New York Times OpenAI lawsuit? Anyone want to film your boy in on that? H100 could compute above 171. Damn. Dude, the price is going up. That's what's happening. Dude, wow. And it's down to the penny, bro. These are insane. Okay, hold on. Energy. U.S. grants license for nuclear reactor before 2027. I don't understand that market. eBay market share above 30%. Above 20%. Price of NVIDIA RTX. Gay. Starship 12 launch. How many launches will SpaceX have this year? NASA lands on the moon. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Actually, I don't know. BBAI because war pays. I'm in AIQ. Hard. Yo, let's go. My shit's cooking, actually. Well, not really, but it's kind of cooking. It got waxed, bro. I was at $500 yesterday. Like, this thing actually sucks ass, dude. Yo! It did hit a 239% return, though. Bro, wait a minute. Can I sell this contract? Bro, this trade it's sitting on is up. Wait a minute. 322%. And it was, bro, it only bought $12 with it. That's actually cooked. Fire. Okay, hold on. Let me talk to my bot really quick. I'm just gonna say, yo, so one or two of the are up. Do you think it's worth exploring bets before the one we can still make in? Yeah, refine the software. Lock it in. I just don't want it to go and super execute. Because people with actual profitable bots aren't doing it. What I can do is I can connect it to the TradeGPT API. That'd be interesting. That would be really interesting. If I gave my Kalshi bot the TradeGPT API and I had it trade on what price stocks are going to close at. Bro, I think that was the idea. I think that literally was what just happened. Bro, I have a TradeGPT API. Okay, so here's how I would do it. Because it would pull the data from TradeGPT instead of looking through Kalshi. Because I can't, because it works via API. Does Mumu have an API? Whoa, no, wait. Hold on. Automated trading flash. Yo, I'm gonna do this right now. I'll do this right now. Hold on, I'm finding my Mumu API key. Explain for the dummies out there, guys. An AP guy, Johnny. Wow, bro, it all just came together. I've been streaming for 38 days. Bro, it all just came together. Okay, so I connect the Mumu. I connect Mumu's API, which lets me do lets my Claude bot do transactions to my thing. But I'm going to create another bot. So this entire bot's database isn't going to be Mumu's database. It's only going to use Mumu as the tool to execute the trades. Every single bit of data it pulls is going to be from TradeGPT. Now, what I'm also going to give my Claude bot is I'm going to give my Claude bot 3 TradeGPT prompts to cycle in and out and backtest at different times. Now, what this does is, what you guys don't understand, is this lets me test trades at every single time of the day to not only give you guys the best prompts for free, but give the best times of the day to use TradeGPT. Yeah, dude, that's actually insane. We're about to cook. All right, let's do it. After I dial this in, though, you bet your fucking ass I'm going to charge for this kind of setup. Because watch how this is going to cook. This is going to be insane. This is going to be the first. This is going to be you're about to witness, like, literally something that is the first of its kind ever. And I'm going to do it right here live in front of all of you. Okay, so we're going to start with getting TradeGPT APIs and Mumu APIs. And then we're going to also start by implementing prompts. So there's a couple things I can't have you guys see, which are API keys. So I'm only going to move my screen off during APIs. Now, again, if you guys don't want to see this nerdy shit, let me know. I don't have to do this here. I can do it on Discord. I want you to cook it. Bro, drink some water. I got water right here. Okay, we're going to do it. All right, you guys want me to do it? Drop a 1. If you want to just stick to the fucking boring chart I have on the screen. But we'll get really freaky right now if you guys want to do this. I'm not good for much, but we can build some damn systems if we want to. Drop a 1. If you guys want me to cook this bot right now with TradeGPT and Mumu, drop a 1. If you don't drop anything. It's cool, but I would feel weird. Okay, a 1. All right. All right. We're gonna do it. Okay, so step 1. Let's write out the steps and then I just need to kind of visualize this. So step 1, so the first thing is we're gonna decide on a name for our bot. We're gonna decide on a name for our bot. So the names that we will decide on, the name we're going to decide on is, and then I'm just going to connect everything. This is all boring shit, but you guys have to understand this is all relevant because I'll lose track of what I'm doing. We're going to go. Okay, we're calling it TradeGPT Claw. That's the name of the bot. Stack is TGPT API. And then it is Mumu API 3 prompts. And MD file for okay. All right. Next step is let's grab let's grab APIs for TradeGPT and Mumu. I have to do a questionnaire, bro. What the fuck is this shit, man? Continue to use. Okay, I'm gonna sign into my Mumu. It's not gonna do it like an email reveal. Give me a second. I'll bring it back on the screen. Okay, I'm just adding password. Okay, so it's gonna ask me this question. Usually, any like major API that has risk, they make you program trading. What are your main functions of your API program? Trading. How did you develop your API program? Self-development. Okay, do I get the fucking API now? Alright, I need my API, trade API. So usually I can just, this is an overview, get account list, I'm off trading. I'm just gonna do this. So I'm gonna drop this document into my Clawbot. I'm just gonna say, hey, can you get my Mumu API set up? Let's see what it says. My bad, guys. I'm kind of geeked and locked in right now. So you guys can understand. I'm going to turn this down for a second. Cool. So it already installed the Python SDK. OpenD running as a gateway between local code. Let me check if it's already on your machine. OpenD isn't installed yet. Let me download and get it through. You guys can understand. This is all running on a computer that's upstairs. And it's installing all of this and doing all of this in real time. But the reason I can just give it a doc is there's not a lot of stuff that AI is better at than humans. But for sure, reading and understanding code and documents, it's for sure better. We could have looked at that API doc. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that, Toby. Bro, yeah, Magic. Yes, there is class today, bro. But I genuinely feel like I am doing better. I'm doing more than what they could offer me at this point. OpenD. It's behind a JS rendered download package that I can't scrape directly. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna have to do. I might have to go install this on my terminal, but let's just see what happens here. Okay. What do I need to do? It takes 2 minutes. Download OpenD. Okay, so I'm going to set up my mic so I can still talk to you guys while I do this. Okay, so it did all of this. And then I need to go to Mumu.com, download OpenAI, and grab the Mac version, extract it and run it. And then Log in with your Moomoo credentials. First launch opens the GUI. Give me a trade. Unlock password, and I'll store it in the config so I can execute trades. Okay, so I have to run upstairs and download this program onto my computer that it's hosting on. So I don't want to end stream, obviously. This is only going to take me 2 minutes, and if I can't figure it out in 2 minutes, I'll just come back down. Fuck. I'm gonna stay on stream. I'm not going anywhere. Okay, Moomoo API is installed. So I need to go in and download the. Okay. All right. So I need to go. Do you think this will work with Webull API? Does Webull have an API? I have looked into this like within the last 2 weeks and it was unusable. I want to do this for Webull too, but this $1,000 account is a perfect example of how to do this. Okay. I need to go install this app right now, guys. I'm not going to end stream, but I am going to. I just tried to look and it was unusable for trading. Hold on, let me just ask. I'm gonna have to definitely do it. All right, give me a second, guys. I'm gonna be back in. I'm gonna be back in 2 seconds. Seen approval. Okay, I'm gonna be back in 2 seconds. I'm gonna go download this MD file on my machine that's running OpenClaw. And bro, vibe out, right? If you guys want to go take a fucking water break right now, go do that. But I am gonna build this thing out live, and we are good to go. So you guys will see me talk to my Claude bot. I'm just going to. Isn't the autopilot investment app doing that? They're not using a TradeGPT plugin, and TradeGPT is arguably the greatest financial language model. Okay, I'll be back in 20 seconds. I'll be back in 2 minutes. If I'm not back in 2 minutes, you guys, I'll like put something in on the screen here to tell you. But go grab a quick water, chill. Let me go download this, and then we're building out this trading bot right now. All right, all right. Okay, I need to get my verification code from. Oh Jesus, I didn't even realize. Anyway, I didn't. That wasn't me. Someone else had my account. All right, my bad. My bad. Okay. So I'm gonna have to do. I have to like approve the permissions, which I thought we already did. I can only see 1 million in paper account, but not your real. API only shows simulate returns right now. This means you need to enable open API positions for your live account in the Mumu app, phone, or desktop. Okay, let me go to my Mumu app. See what the vibe ski is here. Wow. Yeah, I'm doing all this live right now, though. I mean, okay, so check it out. All right, hold on. Mumu, that's what I'm doing. Mumu. Dude, this is gonna be insane. I'm so excited. But I will, now that it's brought, I didn't even think about this, but we should absolutely backtest strategies for at least a week with $1 million in paper trading. And then with TradeGPT's API, bro, I mean, I'm trading around a fucking 70 to 80% success rate, right? And I'm gonna give it all of the logs of all my shit. I'll let it look at all my trades, and I can have it go through the Excel sheet. Guys, remember my ledger that I made as a joke, but now we can actually use it as referenceable data. It's like, dude, this is going to be sick. Okay, so I need to enable API permissions, but I will say even if it doesn't work, we'll start with this thing paper trading for this. Okay, let me go here, settings. What did it say? Settings, API trading. Okay, I literally just searched the keyword API in my Mumu, and nothing came up. Bro, I just answered this. Program trading and strategic research, honestly. What are the main functions? Trading, requesting. No, we're not going to be requesting too much market data unless TradeGPT is delayed. Sometimes TradeGPT is delayed. How do you develop your API program? I guess self-development. If you have any questions, please contact customer service. Okay, so now what can I go here to? Let's go, Brandon Sutton. Let's go. Features, possibly. Mumu desktop, stock analysis, level 2 data, market analysis, stock market. Dude, I'm looking for our API permissions, brother. Am I tweaking right now for just needing some API permissions? Okay. Okay. Choose a project. Dude, what? Showed me okay. Account. However, let's just paper trade for now till we get a winning strategy. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna start with paper trading. It sucks. I really want to fucking put this $1,000 in. As you guys can see, I'm actively trying. However, I'm not gonna stop the train when the train can go even faster after a week-long paper trading testing phase, and then we can figure out what the fucking call is here that I need my Claude bot to have to live trade. There's a questionnaire agreement, which I did. Quotes aren't activated for US stock yet. That's a free toggle on Mumu app. We can still trade paper. Let me test an order using external price data. Okay, so now the next step is external price data. It's a free toggle on the Mumu app. Okay, we're good. US quotes need, wait, what was it saying? Activating free. Go to Mumu app profile, quote right, US stocks level 1. Go to Mumu app profile. Mic check. Is it quiet? Is it quiet? Can you guys hear me? Sorry, no, I was talking quietly there. I was just talking through it. Okay, so I'm gonna play some music too, but I need to turn on level 1 data. So profile, orders, account and positions, display securities, use pre-market price. Okay, how do I do this? It's telling me to go to profile, quote right. All right, let's just go to Mumu, I guess. Profile. There is no profile, brother. Am I tweaking? Settings? Possibly? Account and security? Okay, let me go. I'm not going to bring my account and security page up. Login automatically. Activate the token after password is changed. No, not any of this. Trade. Most default fill. No. See, this is where shit gets confusing. Because there isn't like these aren't programmable. Like this isn't like there isn't a process to like find how to actually do this. Market analysis, features, level 2 data, perhaps. So I should be good. I could use. I mean, it's telling me to deposit more money. See, it's just Moo's just geeked, bro. Let me see. Can I just buy level 2 data and connect it to it? Yo, is there a place? That's weird. I have $1,000 in this account. It's not even pulling up. All right. Dude, what's the vibe then? Okay, so let me see then here. Let's just, okay, so right now our problem is US quotes need activating. Free. I can't find where to activate. Hold on. We're going to play music. My bad, guys. I'm locked in. No, I want to buy real-time market data. Actually, okay, we're going to forget about that right now, and I'm just going to work on TradeGPT API. Okay, I'm just sending TradeGPT my API guide. This is my TradeGPT API guide. Here we go. Now we're cooking. We got music. I'm not leaking shit. Swear we're about to run into the same issues. No, because I have an API for real-time market data. This is the TradeGPT API. Yeah, I can't leak this. Can I have to bring my clawbot off just for a little bit, just for a second. Put the API guide in. This is sick. It's an OpenAI compatible API with real-time market data. It solves our quote problem when we write it up. Bang. Bang. We just get over hurdles, bro. We get over hurdles. Now the only hurdle is getting my fucking Moomoo to recognize the $1,000 I have in a brokerage. So that comes after the testing phase. Let's have some fun. Let's cook here. Okay, let's just. So here's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do something called a cron job. All of this is hosted through my Lander Claw. I'm gonna say, I want you to run a cron job at every 30 minutes. So here's what it's gonna do. So it's gonna run this prompt because this prompt is like basically like the most basic. So this prompt says there's like an in the money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis and recommendation. Okay. So after I go in and I'm just gonna copy this. And bro, Claude makes it so fucking easy. This is your input to TradeGPT. Guys, I just gave us a Kalshi midday update. We'll go through here. Okay. I lost $133 and made $13. All right, this is your input for TradeGPT. Take the TradeGPT outputs. So what we're going to test is we're going to test this prompt every 30 minutes of the day from 9:30 EST to 4 p.m. PST. Or fucking EST. So that's its input. And then this is your input to TradeGPT. Take the TradeGPT outputs. You will also build a site where my viewers can watch in real time every trade that is active and what the percent return is. You will go based off TradeGPT's stop loss and exit price. You will have a page on the website that also tracks all the trades. Yo, thank you, Stephen Davis. Bro got high and watched Wolf of Wall Street too much. Okay, so let's see what this does. Like an Excel sheet, but the active trades should look cool on the home page with my account down to the next trade. Dude, we're cooking, bro. This is cooking. It was a sub to a business account. Some shit firm would pay for an employee, but a normal person probably wouldn't. What do you mean? Oh, it advertised available, but I couldn't find them. Classic. How many peptides am I on? All of them? A cron job is like a repeatable input. Does that make sense? Anyone have any questions, I guess? I mean, I don't really know shit either, but you're kind of watching somebody retard max a fucking trading bot based off based off an advanced data feed. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like I'm the fucking Nostradamus of this shit, but you can obviously see if you can understand the English language, you can use AI agents. And I still have NVIDIA trade. I totally forgot about this NVIDIA trade that we're in. Let's see. Are we above our entry? Nope, not yet. We'll keep this up in the background. We'll switch to a 1 second chart. We wanted to get past this orange line. You guys get it. No, I don't prop trade. I mean, I'm paper trading. This bot's going to be paper trading in the beginning, though. I'm guessing I'm going to have to open this on my... Yeah, I have to open this on my own terminal. I am on a different machine. Can we host that site? Like a... What's the thing called? Railway. Yeah, I'm going to have to show everything, guys. It's going to be completely transparent. All of you are going to be able to track it. I'm going to drop the link here. We're all going to, you guys can go and track it. Little vape break. Give me a second. Yo. Let me see. I need to make a railway account. Hold on, guys. Docker image. I don't know. Empty project. Where do I find my token? Okay. Click empty service from that menu. Once it creates, go to the services setting tabs under network and click generate domain. Okay, settings, root directory, connect source. What did it say? Okay, so under networking. Okay, under the services setting tabs under networking, click generate domain. Generate domain. Public domain will be generated. And then go to the variables tab and add API key equals. Bro, literally you could retard max this entire thing. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing right now. Like, I genuinely have no idea what I'm doing right now. I have no clue. Dude, you guys are gonna hack this fucking site. Like, no doubt in my mind. Variable name. I don't want to go back up to the terminal. Of course, now I've got to. I'm switching things up. Of course, now I'm switching things up. Give me a GitHub personal access token. Oh my god. Holy fuck, dude. Okay. Like, bro, fucking... Nice. All right, here it is. I'm going to put this in the Discord. Okay, so this is how we're going to track all the trades. Next trade's in 6 minutes, and this is the trade it's in right now. This trade's at a 0% profit. Okay, so we're going to have to go in because that trade shouldn't be at a 0% profit. We're going to go here and then go to chatting. This is the tracker for TradeGPT bot. Let me know if that works. Cool. Now we're solving the real-time market data problem. So now the bot is built. Technically now the bot is built, but now guys, the thing is how can I get the most accurate tracking and do it? Okay, I'm gonna do this. Go to me, quote stored, NASDAQ basic. I'm gonna buy if it's only $2. Wait a minute. What? It's pretty sick, huh, Steven? And then, bro, what? I mean, guys, who couldn't do this? If you guys are watching this stream and you think you couldn't do what I just did in 55 minutes, like, really just think about it, bro. Like I didn't go to college. I didn't do this, bro. It's just a hunger to like fucking communicate with AI and use systems. That's what this comes down to. Nice. Yahoo Finance, real-time price tracking, free key, no limits. Bing bong. Let's fucking go. Bro, TradeGPT API to Mumu to live options trade tracker every single 30 minutes of the day. It goes and runs my TradeGPT prompt, places that trade, and it's live tracking. So it gets the expiration price, everything. Dude. Yeah, fire. Bro, we're cooking, man. Yeah, fuck Mumu. Let's go. Here's the stack. Let's compare this stack to our stack that we made in the beginning of this video. So it was TradeGPT API, 3 prompts, memory MD file. So it didn't do any of that, or it barely did any of that. The stack here is TradeGPT to Yahoo Finance to Mumu. Bang, dude. That's that. That's that, baby. We got a working trading bot. You guys can see this. It's gonna place a trade it's gonna place a trade in 3 minutes. How's that though? How are those apples? That's fucking sick. We just did a fucking I mean it's baby mode. It's baby mode, but nice. And so if we go to the trade log, it gives the status of the trade. Hey, anything that you guys think we should add to this dashboard? You guys think we should add anything to this dashboard? Do you guys think we should add anything to this dashboard to make it cooler for the watcher, the man that's not in the arena? Could you believe that we were gonna go through this nonsense, bro? Did I turn off my view bot? Yeah, I turned it off. Yo, man, this is sick. My thing is in the 30-minute run, how many NVIDIA trades is it going to place? And then we're going to add a variable, an adjustment variable, to where if it gives the exact same trade, instead of re-entering that trade, we are going to, instead of re-entering that trade, we are going to have it call TradeGPT for a trade outside of the Mag 7. This right here. This live options tracker is being done on paper trading because we literally set all this up right now. I mean, you guys can rewind the stream. We couldn't connect the $1,000 to it. That's what I got, man. Minute 30 till the next trade. We got a 183 and 183.60 in video. 180, yeah, 180. Wait, no, 183 in 2 cents. My thing is this isn't updating. This should be updating here. Listen. How often? Paul play HH by Kanye. I can't, dude. I'm gonna get my shit banned. Then my view bot won't work. All right, 26 seconds, man. I'm looking at the stream. It looks like you guys are on like a 20-second delay. Okay, lost. We're at a loss. Okay, my bot's typing right now. I don't know what the next trade's gonna be. Okay, we're at a $2 profit. Fuck you. Can you guys just verify yourself in the Discord? Is it that hard? Okay, we're good. It's launching it properly. All right, that's sick, man. That's really fucking sick. That's the show, I guess. I mean, you guys are tapped into this real time, so. Paul, does your bot do this? You can make 400K, open claw that earns $5 every second. Yeah, I don't know about this, man. I don't know what that is. Can I get financial freedom from this? Bro, you can get chilled. Yo, man, I mean, dude, like, this shit is next level, bro. Like, this is fucking insane. I mean, this blew myself away. But it was it was Johnny 9. You had the idea. I forget what Johnny 9 said that started this whole mess. Well, that's what I'm gonna see right now. It's my Claudebot's still working. It's still working on this last request, but as soon as I do that, check the dashboard. Numbers review every 60 seconds. Okay, it's fine. Refresh the page. Oh, we got another trade, and it's an okay. So that was the problem. So here now we have addressed the issue, right? It re-entered the same exact trade, and so now we take this and we say it looks like we got two trades that are the exact same. So we're gonna adjust the prompt. Yeah, I realized that if we spam the same prompt over and over again, we are going to get fucked by duplicate positions. Now, what we're going to say is we're going to go back into this and we're going to change this prompt right here to the Johnny 9 special, which we just take the exact prompt. And we go here, copy. If it gives you a duplicate trade, we are going to use this prompt via request. So then we put the prompt in. So the prompt is this. I'd like an in the money option. Yeah, Solos, yeah, Steve, bro, we're just fucking around and testing it. I'm using the language model. I'm using the API. I'm using to get the trades is TradeGPT by TradeAlgo. You have to be on the whitelist for their API though. They don't have enough publicly available API. See, Steven, it's gonna do that. We'll get fucked over by this because look, it's re-entering positions that shouldn't be at that bad of a loss. So it's gonna mess up the spreadsheet. But you guys gotta remember, I did all this live, right? Like, like in the beginning of this testing phase, I don't expect the spreadsheet to look good at all. Spreadsheets start red and they get better. So don't come at me like this should be immediately perfect, right? We're going in and we have to adjust this. Like this is a process. I have an API. It's TradeGPT by TradeAlgo. There's a bunch of TradeGPTs. That's what I mean though. Like I don't want you guys to think that this is supposed to just start perfect. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna see what this does here. I do the same thing with apps and sports betting. Fuck yeah. What data sources do you use? If you don't mind. Or if you don't want to talk, if you don't want to reveal that on stream. We should chat. I love systems. I want to learn everything about every system. It's going to tell me I need to refresh API credits. Watch. It's going to be like you need to refresh. Is it a printer? Absolutely. Jesus Christ. Bang. All right. If you adjust the prompt, you can get it to actually confirm with you before making a new trade. I don't want it to confirm anything. Dude, this is so sick, dude. It's over with, man. It is so fucking over with. It is so over with. So I just okay, yeah. So I just put it in a Netflix call. Bang. So that was the trade it just placed. Just did a Netflix call, and it closed out of the NVDA trade. So that's that, boys. It's not gonna be perfect at first, but what this is transparency, bro. I guess, right? It's transparent. That's what it comes down to. DM me on Discord if you guys have any questions. But yeah, this was a lot of fun, man. I actually really enjoyed doing this. Netflix is already down 13%. Yeah, it's all good. Let's see what happens here. Looks like the stop losses and the take profits are looking crazy too. Any questions? Yeah, fine tune. It'll become better. Yeah, I mean, but like you guys got an inside look. Why do I have a transparent? I don't know. That's a good question. It's just the way it falls. That's just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, bro. Damn, we did creep while I was yapping away. We did get over that. Yo, Melodrama, you just missed some insane shit. We just created a TradeGPT bot that you guys can go and like follow along with. Every 30 minutes, it goes in and places another trade. Gooning ritual. Yo. That's me. All right. So, hey. This was a sick stream, man. This was actually insane. You guys been partying without me. Bro, go and you look at this site. You're going to have to start charging for Discord access. Now do 20 push-ups. Bro. Stop loss hit. Okay, so it looks like the trade it closed out of, guys, it just labeled it as stop loss hit. Yeah, I did, bro. This is me. This guy is me. This is me. I am Paul. So the prompt it runs through the TradeGPT API is this. This is the prompt, but we're gonna be testing all the prompts, right? I'm gonna start running a job right every day at 3 p.m. to do this prompt. Every day at 3 p.m. I'm gonna do this prompt. Okay, and then every day, every Monday we're gonna add in this prompt. And what this does is, man, is this backtests arguably the most powerful language model built on financial data, and it like pack-a-punches it so I can use it every point of the day so I can test strategies, right? I found the 11 a.m. strategy just because I did it for a fucking year. Now this completely changes the playing field. Then we're gonna have a portfolio on this live options tracker for every single type of prompt and strategy, right? So then we can start to go in, and then once we get all of that data, we're gonna spend fucking months or probably a month collecting data through the system, and then we nominalize that into a process that's the most simple process ever, and then that's the way that you guys use TradeGPT, which I'll remind you is free. It's a fucking free system, bro. TradeGPT is free. My speaker just died, so I'm gonna be ending stream soon. But TradeGPT is free. Clawbot is free. I'm using an Anthropic API key. That's what I am spending a little bit of money on, at least 40, 50 bucks on processing shit this much through. It'll process through. Think about it like that, right? And dude, yeah, I mean, you get it. Like, dude, this is the age of free information, right? I mean, I'd love to be the catalyst, or not even me, but like let a process be the catalyst. Don't be afraid to have ideas, because they're executable, right? I'm not retarded, right? I'm kind of smart, but I was able to do this, and I mean, seriously, clock the fucking time, bro. You need money. I need to spend money on I do need to spend money on a new speaker charger. I definitely do. Good job for wearing black so we can't see the armpits foot. Valid. That is facts. Anthropic API. I mean, we can get into that kind of stuff too. He does like being a cow. Oh, man. Okay. Look, man. Just fucking so sick, dude. Like, just really fucking dope. And, let me see if this is this charging right now, bro? My speaker, we can stream for a little longer. I just want my speaker to be working. If it's not working, we're fucking gate. Let me see. Dude, this charger is so shit. It literally doesn't work. Okay, we got action. We got action, baby. Flip this thing on. All right. Yeah, backtesting this is absolutely going to show me a different way. Guys, I mean, if you think that this is like that you can create a trading bot like this that works immediately, you're fucking mistaken. Andrew Tate would slap me. My cables stop working when I don't suck them off. Yeah, facts. Oh, dude. That's the thing, man. That's the play. Yeah, it only works if you have unlimited TradeGPT prompts. Thankfully, I do. Today we got 9 new people on Discord. Fuck yeah. Dude, drinking that drink. I need to do some push-ups. Melodrama's not gonna hop off my head unless I rip some push-ups. Ah, man. Dude, I love how it does this. You guys see what it's doing here? So this bar, when this bar reaches this end, it takes profit. And then when it reaches this end, it gets stopped out. How fucking cool is that? How fucking cool is that, bro? I'm in here for the action. No, Diddy. Dude, we absolutely cooked, man. Yeah, I'm in New York City. I'm in Soho, Manhattan. All Diddy on an island. Oh, bro. I gotta go eat something. All right. Should we do like a voting system on each position where you guys can like the position or dislike it based on where you guys can drop a like on the position or dislike it based on like what you think? Or should I like make it so that you guys can like prompt and like add like modify the bot, so it's like everyone in the Discord has access to like there's like a comment section under here that when you comment something, it like a comment on the fact on why this was a bad trade or something like that. Nah, because I don't want to bring in outside influence, but like it would be cool to have you guys give it insight and like have see how you can self-adjust it. You're saying all of this, but not recording it into your bot. No, guys, it's already doing the slider thing. This slider thing is already happening. You can see here the Netflix is about to get stopped out, and this bar's almost gone. And then the NVDA is at 3% profit. Could I do what's the favor? The vote would be cool. What do you guys think? Throw me some ideas. Do suggestions. Yes, bot mods. Do like suggestions to where you can be like, yo, this was a bad trade. There was no interest on the option, other things like that. Like, so it can self-adjust. But like, you guys are gonna fuck with it, man. You guys are gonna you're gonna have these guys who like think they're experts in trading going in and like hardwiring a bot to do shit that's relying on old strategy. So like, if I gave you guys access to do that, you're gonna have the retard that goes in and fucking does it. And run the trade to compare. Just copy and paste, it's easier. That would give more data. Yeah, I'll do some push-ups. I'll do some push-ups real quick before I dip. We'll do some push-ups. Let me lock in on this. But yeah, we're gonna do some push-ups. Don't give access, just a vote. Maybe like a suggestion. Okay, let's do this. Let's add some have mods verify our suggestions. I'll create
Yeah, that's tough. Like a queue of all the suggestions and then going in and doing it. But who's the mods? Is it gonna would I have an AI agent that approves them? That would be the other process. So let me do suggestion buttons, and the suggestion buttons are going to read like this. Think of some yourself that would be helpful, but start with no. No, I think I'm overcomplicating this. I think I'm overcomplicating this with suggestion buttons. I think I'm overcomplicating. Thank you, Persian. I think I'm overcomplicating this with suggestion buttons, bro. Like, what's the actual way to do this? Because I can't give everyone access, and then having a queue of suggestions that a human is going in and manually approving. Like, fucking what? Am I gonna have like a mod, like myself, go in and do it? I don't know enough about trading tactics to go in and approve that. Right, so the option is have a secondary agent that vets every single suggestion and then back tests the suggestion. What do you guys think? Okay, when I do parlay composition on AI, I always put in the prompt that I'm looking for AI historical data to suggest a 90% runway. Well, we develop right now, bro, this process for the next 2 weeks, even if this is the worst trading 2 weeks that this bot ever goes on and any paper trading bot ever starts with, what we did, Royalty Persian, is we did exactly that. We have collected historical data. Right now, the whole thing is we need to collect historical data. Just a vote, just a thumbs up or thumbs down, right? Should we do just a thumbs up or thumbs down? Do we each need our own ball? Yeah, I mean, what you guys just saw me create, you guys definitely need a terminal to do it. Trading is time sensitive. It was a good trade today, may not be a good trade tomorrow. Yeah, exactly, busy. But the thing is, it's just based off of strike price and entry. How many ADHDs do I have? All of them. Let it collect for now. Yeah, bro, right now, the best thing I can do, Busy Slim, which addresses Busy Slim's problem, which addresses fucking Warbucks problem, which addresses royalties, like inside, not even problems, but just insight that you guys have. And any further insight is, bro, we need to let this thing collect data. That's what this needs to do, is we need to let this collect data. That's what I'm saying. How many of you guys really knows how to trade it? If we do thumbs up or down, it might get cooked. Yeah, absolutely. Maybe I create a test. I create a fucking test. You guys have to have a Series 7 to be able to vote up or down on the fucking positions, man. I'd lean on secondary agent. That's what I'm thinking, a vetting agent that just runs it through a process. That's so easy to set up, bro. It's so easy to set up. The problem is it's going to rip through API tokens. Yeah, so let's do a secondary agent. And then so we don't burn through API keys, it just runs all of the suggestions at like 9 p.m. or like at 4 p.m. at the end of the day or 9 p.m. Give you guys time after the market closes to add suggestions to it and other things like that. Does that seem fair? Dude, people are going to see this dashboard and be like, bro, you are faking everything. But like, dude, I mean, it's real-time shit. Yeah, we're down. Yeah, we're gonna say let's just cook, man. Let's cook. We have nothing to lose, bro. We literally have nothing to lose here. Well, yeah, Royalty, I'd love to know if you have like a prompt list and like how detailed the prompts are. Because I'm doing kind of that with this on Kalshi right now. I have it running Kalshi bets
and like backtesting strategy there. Unfortunately, I fucked up there, and I like convinced it of sentience, and it's just in like survival mode right now. So it's kind of fucked, but yeah, dude, this is money. I mean, I could honestly turn this stream. I could clip out parts of the stream and turn it into an ad for TradeGPT's API release, and then. Each trade TradeGPT gives, so we have a better idea to YOLO or not. A rating? Well, like, bro, obviously TradeGPT is gonna assign something that it thinks has the highest rating. So it's just gonna like it'll just be hallucinating. It'll just be building on the hallucination it has that the trade is already the best. Does that make sense, Johnny? Does that make sense, my boy? I have a massive group I'm connected with via Reddit / Telegram / Discord. Okay, sick. I'll tap in after stream. But you did have a good point, Busy, where you said what like this. I could wake up tomorrow and these Netflix calls are shit. Data. Is it minus 103? Yeah, I mean, we're in the testing phase. We just opened the bot and we manually closed a position that it duplicated at a loss. I mean, what you guys are seeing here, we're building this in real time and backtesting and gathering historical information. I don't expect this to be perfect, but the fact that we have a 50% win rate just ripping this right now, I'm pretty fucking bullish on how this is going to turn out. Getting a little bit of FOMO. I kind of want to get I might want to throw 20 bands, little $25 into not 25,000 into a fucking Moomoo account and just have this rip, bro. But the problem is there's some days where TradeGPT doesn't have real-time market data, right? There's some days it's like hallucinating and it can't pull data for like an hour. And if that happens in that 30-minute phase while I have real money in it, it might fuck up and fuck off my whole thing. Yeah, real-time gains, Royalty. Oh, yeah, real-time gains. We're getting the trade in 2 minutes. We're going to see what the trade is in 2 minutes. But you guys can track this. Like, you guys, I mean, all this is live. It's like we built this out. You guys see that. You guys know exactly what the system's running on. There's really no mystery here on how it's going to go. Can you pull the data straight from TradeAlgo? That's exactly what I'm doing with the TradeGPT API. It's basically an API just for TradeAlgo's data. You got to think about it like that. That's basically what TradeGPT is. TradeGPT is a language model and data. The API for TradeGPT is going to just pull from that same data. Right? There's not like a double process it has to go through. TradeGPT is TradeAlgo's data. So when it hits that API endpoint, it's the output is the exact data from TradeGPT, right? And if you're asking that to solve the real-time data issue, that's just like a hallucinating thing that TradeGPT will do fucking every like blue moon. Right, but we can work through that. Those are all things we can work through. We can have it avoid placing trades when it notices that the data isn't in real time. Does that make sense? So TradeAlgo isn't updating as often. No, TradeAlgo updates every second. That's what I was trying to explain. Like the parts where TradeGPT won't have the data in the morning, it's like the language model part of it that's tweaking. But I did kind of contradict myself there. Now that I think about it. So maybe I don't think it's a double process, but it might be. It might TradeGPT might ping How about we resolve this real-time data issue with some push-ups and food? All right, we got a minute till this trade places. Let me go grab a quick glass of water. Give me a second.
right, man. 2 seconds to the trade. What are they doing in the chat, man? All right, let's see what trade it plays. I'm going to bust out some push-ups. So, wait, so Chad, is the time the trade closes set, or does the change based on the AI suggestions? So the output of TradeGPT is going to look something like this. TradeGPT's output is going to look something like this. Okay? This is going to be TradeGPT's output. This is going to be TradeGPT's output. So it's going to run this prompt. Then you're going to get this trade that comes out like this, and you're getting a stop loss and a take profit included in the JSON. Right? The JSON is just what TradeGPT sends back to our claw. Does that make sense? Complex? I'm just going to call you complexed. Great question. Great question. All right, looks like we don't have a trade yet. We're waiting on a trade. We're waiting on a trade to place. How do you account for deflated Sharpe ratio when evaluating the historical backtest? Bro, what? I use a 3-dimensional frequency table to display more complex data sets. Guilfoyle. I use a 3-dimensional frequency table to display more complex data sets, but first I weigh my shit. And I make sure it's heavy enough. First I put my balls on a scale. And I fucking like, how do I account for deflated Sharpe ratio, bro? I don't know, dude. You tell me. You look like the guy to fucking answer the question. Like, dude, what are we talking about, man? Like, be for real for 1 second. Like, dude, don't, like, stop trolling me, bro. No, that's the guy, like, bro, like, who's asking about deflated Sharpe. I don't know, bro. Is that something like, bro, what the fuck? Oh my God. Holy shit. What the fuck? Yeah, I reverse stroke. Yeah, I weigh my shit. And then I fucking, dude, yeah, that's my reverse ratio. Or whatever the fuck you said. Deflated Sharpe ratio. Yeah, bro, I fucking don't know. Yeah, good question, Z. Why no trade? What do we got? What's going on here? I'm literally just going to say that. Why no trade? It just told me. Okay, so TradeGPT timed out on the 130 cycle. The request took long and didn't return a signal. Are still tracking. Okay, it's going to retry the request again with a longer timeout duration. Let me try that. Dude, it's adding the retry logic into the bot itself. Dude. My boy is in Slytherin. Yeah. Bro, if anyone can answer this question, this is like this is gonna be my next trivia question. This is gonna be my next trivia question. Okay, I'm gonna hit some push-ups. We've been online for 2 hours, bro. We gotta do some push-ups. Get the blood flowing. Let's go. Let's see what my boy said for this. Okay, so it added. It's not gonna place a trade for this run because it had to add longer retry logic. Okay, NVIDIA's at a high of the day. Let me see. Is it actually? Yeah, I'm in a 0 DTE on that. Let me just. I'm gonna just close my position right now. Where's my chart? Oh. Oh yeah, we're definitely in money. This is if you guys want to know, this is my take profit. They just asked if you were my roommate. Yeah. We live here. Okay. I'm closing out. I'll show you guys where I'm at and kind of how we got the trade. I'm out. This was a really fun stream, but I'm not gonna tweak about the fucking 5800 that's in this NVIDIA 175. So I'm gonna show you guys how I found it, and then I'm going to close out. But I'm out now. We filled at. Let me see what our fill is, boys. We just filled at. Goddamn, please fill. 825, which. Wait, no way. Okay, here's our fill. We filled. We're good. Jesus Christ. We filled at 850, bought in at 830. Our mid price was 825. This is our fill, and then just a quick $140, bro. Nothing too crazy. Thank God you guys told me about this. I would have been geeked. Oh man, dude's energy is way different than yesterday. What do you mean? My bad, melodrama. I'm with the push-ups, bro. I'm cranking them out, man. Can you explain what's going on the chart? It's the triple reverse Epstein. What did you call it? It's the deflated Epstein line. It's the deflated Epstein margin. Check the guy in the white's hard drive, keeping him away from kids. Bro's whooping the Epstein drip. This is low-key Epstein drip. The Epstein drip is. I didn't know it was Epstein. But it's my boy's brand, so I'm gonna wear it. What was that? Melodrama. I hit those push-ups perfectly, bro. Got Epstein look on his face. Anyway, so finding this trade was easy, guys. We did the same thing we have TradeGPT doing all day long, which is this. Is this one. So I just told TradeGPT, complex, I don't know if you're still in here, but I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me a specific. So I just did that. It gave me NVIDIA. Wait. No, this is... Damn, I guess I did the 175. There's no way. Because this is today. I did the 175 yesterday. Or the 180 yesterday. Anyway. 13th of March. No. They gave me a trade for today for sure. Where's my thing? I remember I did the same day expiration. Where's my TradeGPT from? Anyway, bro, you get it. I placed this. I might have fucking done the wrong trade, but it gave me a fucking NVIDIA call. And I just placed it. That's what I did. Maybe I should have I looked closer at the expiration because this is a trade that expired today. I did a 0 DTE. I must have just placed the wrong trade. No one caught it, though, which is fucking crazy. With that being said, do we got another trade on the trade tracker? Only down $63, boys. Come on. Only down $63. Bro did not know. You're using ChatGPT to trade. This is so retarded. The world's fucked. Imagine just joining my stream after I connected multiple API endpoints from real-time data sources and built a trading bot in real time. Like all just for the fucking love of the game. And then that's the fucking first thing that you comment. You're literally just retarded. Like, bro, it's fun. It's crazy. Anything but a real job. I was busy fighting fires. I couldn't catch it. Like, imagine, like, bro, I just fucking built like an insane system that has nothing to do with ChatGPT or OpenAI. And it's insane. I don't even like, bro, yeah, you can like, bro, yeah, you can believe whatever you want. Yeah, like I said, man, it is what it is. You can do whatever, you can say whatever you want. I've been live for fucking 2 hours and 40 minutes. And yeah, thanks, bro. So every 30 minutes, it's gonna run that cron job. Request TradeGPT's API. We've got Yahoo Finance data plugged in. Link is live on the Discord. Whatever makes me happy. Thank you, bro. I think I heard an FCA. Peace out, bro. We're cooking. We are cooking. All right, you guys, anyone need the link to the bot? Give it one job at a time. All right, this was a sick stream. Oh, wait, did we just get another trade? Where's my thing? Yo, guys, the link is in the Discord. I just put it in here. The link is in the Discord. What do you got? Do you not? If you don't want to join the Discord, I like just be transparent about it and just be like, yo, I don't want to join the Discord. Just run via Claudebot. That's exactly what we did, Andy. We literally built all this on Claudebot. This is gonna be an insane stream to clip. I'm gonna look it up. We're out of both trades. Well, no, I'm still in Applied Digital. I'm gonna get out of Applied Digital right now. I'm gonna stick to my word. We're just gonna exit out of the profit. Bang, we're done. Dude, what's the deal, man? I mean, that's it. Yo, bro, you need a computer. I can teach you guys how to do Quadbot. Or no, I'm not. No, it does everything itself. It does it through the Mumu API. Andy, it does everything through the Mumu API, TradeGPT to call the trade, and then Yahoo Finance to track the real-time price of the option. Yeah, I missed my AI class. I did miss the AI class. But I mean, dude, like, I could have taught, I could have taught how to do this. But Bunny, what were you looking for, bro? Yeah, dude, it was epic. I mean, I don't know when I started this project, but there was a distinct point in time where we had nothing, and then we transformed it into something. And it literally took. I had to go back up and Yeah, there you go, royalty. What is actually going on? Bro, we built the bot. We built the bot, bro. The link is right here. No, we just sold it. We sold Apply Digital. Your net negative should speak for itself. Dude, I created this bot 5 minutes ago, and it's placed 3 trades, and we're like gathering backtesting data. I can understand your assumption based off what you saw just by joining my stream, but like, fortunately for myself, your assumption is incorrect. But I am very transparent about my losses, my boy. But we just created this trading bot. It's called gambling, sure. Yeah, it is. Auntie Paul's a gambler. He got kirked. Yeah, I mean, like, dude, it's just like bear witness to like the intelligence of people watching YouTube live streams. It's fucking nuts. It's hilarious. Bro, and like I'm down 50. My negative should speak for itself. It's so funny. And like I don't even sell a course. Yeah, it is going to be positive soon. Yeah, dude, this has been insane. I kind of want to let this bot cook. Can you share details on strategies? Yeah, you guys want to do a recap? You guys want to do a recap of everything we just did? Okay, so the couple things are sensitive are my API keys. Okay, so full stack is really simple. I'm down $50, so you owe me $50 right now. What am I saying? Can you explain the entire stack here? Yeah, so we're going to go through the entire stack right now. Okay, so everything that you guys have seen on this stream has been, everything you guys are going to see right now has been done, and everything is explainable. So I'm going to turn down the volume here for a second. Okay, so you guys are going to notice a few things here. First thing is every 30 minutes we have TradeGPT AI trained on market data one press and giving an in-the-money options trade right now. Then it's going to scrape Yahoo Finance for options and stock prices based on what TradeGPT outputs. The execution is on Moomoo paper trading. We've been transparent about that the entire time we built the bot. Why don't we have this bot trading real money? Number one, we just fucking created it, Einstein. We're not going to go and throw $100,000 at a trading bot. In this early stage, there's not a single billionaire on the planet that would do that. The second one is the dashboard. So these three processes are tracked and updated on this dashboard every 30 minutes. So what do we get? We get, it all comes together for the open call scheduler, how to put everything together right now, and here we are. That is the stack. Should have an ETF to buy into. No, it's crazy. Dude, I would need to go through so many fucking things to do that. But that is the stack, boys. It is going down. Can't wait to see where this is at in April. I mean, bro, yeah, it's like this is going to be a journey. 30 days is all this needs. Simple. How do you wire it all together? I use an AI agent to wire it all together, Andy. If you guys want to learn how to do this, I can teach you. Like, if you guys have a task you want to accomplish, I can teach you how to do that. Like, if you guys have a workflow you want to like automate, like we just did here, I can teach you guys how to do that. You guys just tap in. Just hit your boy up, and I got you. Okay, bet. Yeah, let's do it. Royalty. Yeah, I'm on stream right now. Once I get off stream, I'll go through all that. I need to like grab a burger, decompress. Looks like NVDA kept going up. I would have been making way more money than 140 bucks. I kind of want to wait the 6 minutes and see what happens. But Andy, yeah, if you want to fucking learn how to do this, it's not difficult whatsoever. I mean, like, I don't have any coding experience, and I didn't write a single line of code to build this entire thing. You Shady ready? No, I want to wait the six minutes. I need to find a way to make it. Bro, I don't want no Paul coin. No, I will say if I launch anything like that, which I will never fucking launch a meme coin without actual utility. Never in my life. If you see something that says Paul coin and I have not directly told you that I am behind the project, don't fucking buy it, bro. I have 5,000 subscribers. Like, that would be terrible. That would be, like, a really fucking shitty thing. Trade algo kind of sucks. Give me 2 horrid contracts. Hey, bro. It happens. It happens. I took a trade the other day. I lost $5,000 in 5 minutes. On stream. Live on stream. Yo, actually, really quick, before this even finalized on the 5 minute, what do you guys think about adding a balance? Like a balance to like track, so we can like in a graph to show the balance of the money. Do you guys like that idea? If we added like a balance to this? You guys think we should add a balance? How do you make an ETF? Not ending the stream until I scam 100 viewers. Yeah, should I add a balance on here that like tracks the million? I think I should. No, it's already, Johnny, it's already doing an if you go to the website right here and you click on trade log, it's already logging every single trade. I had an NVDA contract. That's it. An NVDA and an APLD. Both we cashed out with 14% on APLD, and we cashed out with like 1%. Dude. Yeah, you can track all that. What I'm thinking is we all right. We got 3 minutes, man. How did I set it? It did all of it for me. And Steven, remember, I literally just said, this is all I said to it. This was my prompt to create the website. This is all I said. Let's go, B Study. From TradeGPT or what? How'd you find it? But yeah, Steven, does that make sense, bro? I just told it to, and it did all of this. I just said I want an interface where my viewers can track every single move this thing makes. How'd your bot get real-time updates of stocks? Really simple. Yahoo Finance API. It's free. White Martin Luther King. And the coolest thing is I didn't have to tell it to do that. It did it on its own. It did all that on its own. TradeGPT is where it sources the trade. Market data is from Yahoo Finance. Yeah, so the profit and loss is right here. Mind you, we don't know what move you made. Can't see anything important. What do you mean? A quid per bid. Do you got what it takes? What is that? What does that mean? A quid per bid? What? What's up, bro? Why'd you say dude like that? AI is crazy. I believe I suggested showing PL on side. We got that. Buddy tossed it to me. That's it. That's what we got. Broken. Your love heartbroken. Guys, in the beginning, this bot isn't going to be perfect. I'm predicting we get a lot of red. Hopefully, I mean, we go right into the green, but nothing works like this. We're running a TradeGPT prompt every 30 minutes, right? In the history of... Oh, no, nothing's active right now except for XOM. Because the API I'm using scans through real-time stock market data. If your name is... Yo, White Martin Luther King, bro. Do not let her talk on your name like that. If your name is White Martin Luther King, you will never be a profitable trader, period. You have a lot of ego to let go. Yo! Might do what you do here. Do some follow the leader action. Are you talking about on this site? No, no one should be copying the trades from this site until this is dialed. And speaking of which, we should have a trade right now coming. This is weird. Why is there no trade? Bro, go my message like a celebrity. No, I didn't. What'd you say, Johnny? What'd you say, big dog? Bro, there's so many chats coming in. Where you at, bro? Okay. Johnny 9. Oh, are you gonna get this bot to automate your swipes for dating apps? Yeah, I should. What is good, bro? I mean, the next trade you take? Yeah, you could rock. Okay, so we do not have a trade right now, and it's been a full minute. No trade yet. Oh, let me see if it automatically. It sometimes it auto updates. Give it a second. Okay, hold on. Let's see why it hasn't placed a trade yet. We're live coding a trading bot live creating a trading bot if you guys are wondering. Well, no, dude, I'm kind of geeking because I'm thinking that this cron job should be instant, but it does take time. Am I gonna get another trade in? Nah, I'm good. 0.8. Nah, I'm good. I don't want to do that. Johnny 9, he gets big D from black dudes recently. That's why he being worked up. Nice, here we go. So Palantir, 760. So dude, it goes and fixes itself. Yeah, I'm pretty hyped, bro. Oh, we have, see how Palantir's been placed. Yeah, so Palantir's up. Okay, sick. This was a legendary stream, man. So we've got 3 open, but guys, it's gonna have so many positions open that's also gonna be another thing we do. There's not a single, I mean, like, AI can handle it, but humans can't handle this. I know, I don't know where Lil Bro's at, where Junior's at. Where is Junior today? And the countdown looks sick for the stream. It's just like next trade in 27 minutes. Like, bro, what do you mean? Oh, and it did it. Okay, hold on. Now we're spamming trades. Now we got a problem. It's spamming trades. We have an Oracle and a Palantir position placed. This is geeked. What the fuck is going on? All right. We're just going to let it cook. What is max you can FK if I SHT 20-1 Liggett? I don't know, brother. I have no fucking idea, like, how to even, like, address that to be, like, I don't even know how to, like, begin to address that. You just deleted, then you've deleted the message. What Google Translate are you? Whoa, we got an Oracle trade up 62%, which brings, bro, the Oracle trade's already up 62%, which brings our total profit and loss to $504. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. No, I didn't take it. It did all this. It's doing all this on its own. Let's fucking go, man. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. It's not anything great, and the trade hasn't realized that it's not real. But, bruh, let's cook, bro. Let's fucking cook. Sumo, we just created this trading bot. Let's go, man. Huge. This is so huge. All right, we're about to, dude, it's about to realize profit on this first trade. You guys see this little bar? You can, if you're on the bot, guys, this bot is open like thing. You can go and real time watch the spot cook. But once this green line hits, we got our take profit. But we might get stopped out of 2 trades right here. It's hallucinating? It's hallucinating dead ass? Wait, it's hallucinating. What do you mean it's hallucinating? Are you telling me this isn't real? Yeah, win rate's right here. It's at 0 because the one trade it executed is this song? That last song was Deep Inside by Jasper Miller. Deep Inside by Jasper Miller. That Oracle trade could never happen. What do you mean? Describe. I need this is important shit, and this is probably why we should have a suggestion bar. But yeah, I need to know why this trade could never happen. Because it's at 1575 right now. Entry was 7. Entry was 940. Oh, and it gives a description of the trade. It can't double by 30-cent move. It filled at 940 and it's at 1550. Let's see the price of Oracle. Let's just see what's going on. Because it might be geeking, and then we got to fix it, which is great. These are all things that need to be addressed, and this is part of creating a fucking bot in real time. Let's see. Okay. No, we're valid, bro. This is fine. This is 100% valid, brother. This is Oracle on a 1-minute chart. It got in. Oh, me and Royal are gonna hit you up at the stream back. We're good, bro. We're smooth. We are smooth. 100%, and we got an NVDA in the money. Zebra, do you want to explain? Because we need to. Yeah, absolutely. If it's hallucinating, we absolutely need to address it. Johnny, you are like the idea guy. That is not only a good idea, it's a fucking phenomenal idea. Johnny, that is a phenomenal idea. So we can realize more profit. So what should that take profit line be? 5%? Last time was at 9 was so much time ago. Okay, then let me. Oh, I'd say I'm part of the process. Let's go here. Let me see. What was it? I can see. Because it's not even, it's just, this is pulling Moo data, bro. So if Moo's reflecting this entry, then that entry's valid. Let's see. Okay, this is all good. Yeah, there was a bug. Now we're fixing bugs. This is why it's so fire to fucking do this on stream, bro, because that's not something I would have gone and checked. We're addressing bugs, baby. Delta on this contract is $60. You can't get 588 profit from like a 40-cent move max. But well, I mean, it's still entered. What I'm paying attention to right now is all that like pinpoint level price data is sick. But the fact that this trade caught this at 2 p.m. Yeah, so it's fixing it right now. But the fact that it caught this at 2 p.m. and the Oracle rip, we'd still be in the making money on this trade, right? That's kind of what I'm paying attention to. That the meat of it is there, and that those finite details can be worked out later. Absolutely. Good shit, B-Study. Good shit, bro. So market order. Okay, yeah, so it's going to do all market orders. 2 bugs. Wrong option code promo and wrong account ID. Okay, so it just fixed both of those bugs, Zebra. My boy. It just fixed both of those. Okay, so yeah, the dashboard P&L was correct tracking. It was just the data, the price on TradeGPT could be like slightly different than the Mumu contract, so it's just gonna fill everything at market now. Does that make that's fire. I'm just gonna say no. Wait till next one. Can you have a separate bot debugging? Yeah, but the debugging is like, that's from the debugging comes from human issues with the software. AI can look at a system and not see any bugs because it's not actually actively using it. Sorry, bro, no jokes. It's like I told you, bro. Yeah, it's all good, you brother. I don't know. Yeah, it's all good, bro. I don't know what you're even talking about. I don't even know what you're talking about. Okay, so yeah, we'll see. It hallucinated the returns for sure on what this would be, but it was still a good trade. In the beginning, bro, yeah, like I said, this isn't gonna be valid, but we are kind of cooking in terms of winning and losing trades. What language model? This bot is running on TradeAlgo's GPT, TradeGPT. And it's running on Yahoo Finance market data. Why is this? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know why he's doing this. All right, I'm gonna get back to some people who hit me up. Some people hit me up on Discord, so I'm gonna hit them back. Dude, this was an insane stream. I'm geeked, bro. I'm literally geeked. Magic, it's not as much as it seems. It hallucinated an entry. All right. Bet. I got you, bro. I'm gonna hit you back. Yeah, we're cooking, man. But it's the cooking. It's not as cooking as good as it appears, but it's cooking. Dude, I have the hiccups really bad. All right, man. It's paper money. We're going to see how the day closes. And technically, I told you I'd give you whatever my call sheet bot makes. Not this bot. This bot has $1 million balance. There's no way. If it does 10%, what am I going to pay you $100,000? But I did give you my word about the call sheet bot. All right, boys. I'll hit you guys up on Discord. If you guys hit DM me on Discord, I'll hit you up. No, it is now, Johnny. Everything moving forward is linked to the Mumu P&O. No, it was linked to its own data, so that's the fix we just made. I mean, let me see. No. This is a bot I just created, bro, and this is like the terminal where you can see the bot. All right, boys, I'm gonna wrap up. Any changes that are made to this, you guys will see. I mean, you all have access to the interface of the terminal. We're gonna see if it changes right now, though. Oh! Yeah, there's the thing. Told you guys. Whoa! The fuck? I mean, how? This doesn't even make sense. This, like, now it's fucking up. Now it's geeking. Okay, we're gonna have to fix this. Let me fix this. $344%. It's not. No, not in the beginning stages. Thank God. We're paper trading to test. No, it's not. Okay, cool. All right, sick. Yep, so price updater is hitting Mumu 100% locally for every 6 seconds for free. Great. All right, cool. All right, so we're locked. Brilliant stream, really interesting. Thank you, bro. Okay, and then we're gonna fix this. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't put your entire savings into the next trade. Okay, I'll look. Zebra, no. No thanks. On a real N-word, Paul. Instructions unclear, too late. Please don't do that. Instructions unclear, too late. Oh, fucking good luck, man. You want 2K to trade on the next trade that comes through, bro? This is in testing phase. All right, boys. I'll get in contact with you guys. You hit me up. Give me like 20 minutes to eat. No, give me an hour to eat, and then we can do like a call, Persian and Bunny and shit. And then obviously, hit me up on Discord if you just have any questions about this kind of stuff. You're gonna be my Dana. I'll be your Dana White, bro. This was geek. Yeah, go eat and hop in Discord. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. All right, boys. Yo, drop a like and a sub if you haven't, man. My guy Andy Surfer, have a good one, bro. All right, I'll see you guys later. All right, boys. All right, boys. Peace.